Hurricane season or not, your impact windows are your home's first line of defense. But they only work if you take care of them. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to maintain your impact windows so they stay strong, clear, and reliable for years to come. Let's start with the basics. Cleaning. Use a soft cloth, mild soap, and water. Never harsh chemicals or abrasive pads. Always rinse well and dry with a microfiber towel to prevent spots or streaks. Clean the tracks too. Dirt buildup can block drainage and cause damage over time. Next, inspect the hardware. Check the locks, handles, and hinges to make sure they're working smoothly. Apply a light silicone spray lubricant, never oil-based lubricants, which can attract dirt. Look at the rubber seals and weather stripping. If they're cracked or peeling, it's time to replace them. Test the drainage system. Pour a small amount of water into the window track. If it doesn't drain quickly, clean out the weep holes. After storms, always inspect for leaks. Even small water spots can signal trouble with seals. Regular maintenance keeps your impact windows looking great and performing at their best. Want your windows inspected by a pro or need repairs? Contact us today. We're here to keep your home hurricane ready year-round.